Good day everyone, once again welcome back to our channel We Love Hot Stuff. What we are doing today is some of my sauces that I've got in my fridge with some ramen noodles. So we're just gonna draw some papers. We've got 10 sauces here and we've got 15 papers which will be the 10 sauces and 5 special ones. Also, new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. Please watch my videos, share my videos, like my videos. Leave a comment if you've got any ideas. If you want to dare us to do something, you're more than welcome. Johnny Exberg, extra hot peri peri. Sean's breislei. In English, it is Sean's barbecue salad. It's around about mayonnaise, Carolina Reaper sauce. Johnny Exberg, Naga Viper. Roundabout Carolina Reaper sauce. Johnny Exberg, Mozambique and peri peri. Johnny Exberg, Portuguese sauce. Cannot do a challenge without the bomb sauce. Fat Bro's hot sauce, number 13. Fat Bro Trinidad Magura Scorpion, number 13. And best of luck.
Naga Viper.
Johnny Exberg, Naga Viper sauce. Devin, what's your first one? Devin selected the bomb.
Okay, I thought you were just extra nervous.
Trinidad Magura Scorpion. This, I think that should be suffice. You can be
Nominate
nominated.
somebody else.
Okay.
Nominate him for the bomb sauce.
Exactly.
This is my
I
future.
nominate Alistair for the bomb.
This is my future supposed to be son-in-law. You just fucked up. There you go, Devin.
Hot sauce 13 again.
Hot sauce 13.
Yes.
Extra hot peri peri, Johnny Exberg.
Unlucky shot. Oh.
The bomb sauce, there you go. Don't, no, that is too little.
I didn't say you need to add it. Yeah.
That one.
Unlucky shot.
Carolina Reaper sauce, roundabout. Ooh.
Triple X.
Alright, there you go. Mozambique peri peri.
No, I've already got the bomb sauce.
Another drop inside the bomb sauce. Ooh. Nice. Out of you, Steven. Is it all? Okay, I'm not gonna be able to. He's out of it. What? I wish you guys can see David. Are you okay, David?
Just very quickly, guys, it's Devin coughing his lungs out outside. My mouth is on fire, my throat is on fire.
Guys, you guys will have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. Devin,
Well done.
just now, well done. I'm gonna love you and leave you guys, and I'll see you next time. God bless.
Bye.